Social listening is the secret weapon behind any successful social media strategy. It's more than just scrolling through your feed or glancing at comments. Social listening is all about truly tuning in to the conversations happening across social platforms, understanding what your audience is saying, and using that insight to shape your brand's voice, content, and direction. Imagine this. Every day, millions of conversations unfold on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and beyond. People are sharing experiences, giving feedback, asking questions, and voicing opinions about products, brands, and trends. Social listening is the process of tracking these conversations, analyzing what's being said about your brand, your competitors, your industry, or even about broader topics that matter to your audience. But social listening doesn't stop at collecting mentions or hashtags. It dives deeper by capturing the mood and intent behind the words, what we call sentiment analysis. Are people raving about your latest campaign, or is there a wave of concern you need to address? Social listening helps you spot trends in real time, giving you the chance to jump into conversations, solve problems, and celebrate wins alongside your community. At Famety, we know that being part of the conversation is the heart of building a truly engaged community. Social listening empowers you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Instead of guessing what your followers want, you'll know. You can identify common questions, spot emerging trends, and even catch potential crises before they go viral. Think of social listening as your brand's radar. It's always on, scanning the digital landscape for opportunities and threats. When a customer leaves a review, tweets about an experience, or comments on your post, social listening ensures you don't miss a beat. It allows your brand to be proactive, not just reactive. That means you can thank happy customers, address concerns, and tailor your content to what your community cares about most. But social listening isn't just about your brand. It's a powerful tool for competitor analysis. By monitoring what people are saying about other brands in your space, you can spot gaps in the market, learn from their wins and missteps, and find opportunities to stand out. It gives you the upper hand in a crowded digital world. Another key benefit: social listening fuels innovation. By tracking what your audience is talking about, whether it's new features they want, frustrations they have, or viral topics they love, you can create content, products, and campaigns that resonate. It transforms social media from a one-way broadcast into a genuine dialogue. Social listening also supports customer service. Today, many people turn to social media as their first point of contact for questions or complaints. By keeping your finger on the pulse, you can respond quickly, showing your community that you care and that you're always there to help. With Famety, integrating social listening into your strategy means you're never in the dark. Our expertise covers all the major platforms, so you can monitor conversations wherever they happen. Plus, with our live support, you're never alone. We're here to help you interpret insights and turn them into action. To sum it up, social listening is your key to understanding, engaging, and growing your community. It's about transforming data into relationships and feedback into growth. If you want to be more than just another account in the feed, start listening, because the most successful brands are the ones who hear their audience and respond with energy, authenticity, and purpose. Let Famety help you unlock the power of social listening and take your brand to the next level.